Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Hope you've been liking all the videos I've been putting out. Today I'll be doing something else. I won't be doing it in the Power XL. I'll be doing it on the stove. Today I'll be stuffing some eggs today with shrimp. So today my ingredients is one tortilla shell. I'll be using a little butter. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Also, I'll be using 3 eggs, and I'll be using some shrimp. As you see, I sliced up some of the shrimp already, and they look like this before I slice them up and everything, very fresh and everything. I'll be using a little green onion, a little sliced up red onion, a little bell pepper, green bell pepper, a little red bell pepper, and a little spinach. And also I'll be using some bean sprouts and some cheese. And we're gonna saute all these vegetables together and everything and put them on top as I go. You know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step and everything, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna move some of this out the way so we can get started and mixing up everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start cracking these eggs. Put them in here. Just mix that up nice and good. I think I have a little shell on there. We don't want to be eating on no shell or nothing. Just beat that up just like that. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna pour my salt in, my black pepper, lemon pepper, and paprika. I'm just gonna mix that up just like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my camera a little closer so you can see how we do it. So I have my stove set for 4, I put it on 4. I'm gonna pour just a little olive oil in there, and I'm just gonna saute it just a little. Just enough to get it just a little. Let that heat up a little bit. gonna saute a little so they still have that crunch. Okay, that's gonna be good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a little butter in there. Let it melt. Just eyeball little. Let it melt, get all that nice, good and hot. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a little eggs in there. Just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my shell in. Just like that, and I'm gonna just start putting these vegetables in. Just spread it all over, just like that. Spread it in just like that. Make this nice, good, and delicious. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the shrimp. Just like that. So every little cut gonna have shrimp. I'm gonna put my spinach. And I'm just gonna put the cheese. Just like that. Pour the rest of the egg over it. Like that. And I'm gonna just let that cook. Let it cook a little more at the bottom before I flip it. See how it's twirling around. Oh yeah. We're gonna flip this over and we just gonna see how this come out and everything. Hope I get a nice good flip with it. Flip it over real quick. Look at that. Coming out good. This right here is nice and good for breakfast in the morning or for lunch. Let that cook for a few minutes. And that should be very delicious. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over one time and see if it's ready. Oh yes, that is nice. Let it cook the back side a little more. This right here, I'm going to take it out. This is done. Okay, this is your shrimp stuffed egg. As you see, it's looking nice and good. We're gonna taste this together. I'm gonna get a piece of it and see how it tastes and everything. Look like it's coming out pretty good. I'm gonna cut it just like cutting squares of pizza. As you see. You see how it looks. It's still hot and everything, but as you see, the inside of it look nice and good. See the fork of it, everything's in it, the ingredients. So I'm gonna take a bite of it while it's hot. That is delicious. You should try it. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding, hit that bell. And you, Mr. Belle, then did it again. Leave a comment in the box. Thank you.